Wypowiedź pierwsza.
My Spanish host family made me feel really welcome. I had my own room, and when they learned I'm a vegetarian, they downloaded several recipes to prepare meals for me. Well, usually the dishes weren't tasty, but it's the thought that counts, isn't it? Then, one day I decided to cook for them. Everybody loved my pasta with fresh tomatoes.
Wypowiedź druga.
Last year, I went on a student exchange to Sweden. I enjoyed my stay, but the food was completely different from what I'm used to. I didn't like it, really. The great thing was that I shared a room with a girl from Austria, so I improved my German a bit. We've been in touch by phone and email since then. Who knows, I might visit her when I go skiing in Austria next year.
Wypowiedź trzecia.
My Portuguese host family was really fantastic. They tried so much to help me in every possible way. I had a big room to myself. We went sightseeing together, and when someone stole my mobile, they made arrangements to get me another one so that I could contact my friends and family. Every day I came back to a delicious homemade dinner and fell in love with Portuguese food. What more could you want?
Wypowiedź czwarta.
When I met my French host family, I couldn't understand them at all. After 2 days, I got used to their accents, but when I rang them up one day, they didn't know what I was saying, and we had to text instead. They tried to teach me new words, but we talked mainly at mealtimes in the evening, and it wasn't enough. It's a pity I didn't share a room with somebody. Then my French would be better now.